Imagine a machine that evolves, transforms, and even invents, a creation with the power to think in its own way. From silently scanning every word we type to foretelling the future of our planet, artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept, and it has become part of our everyday lives. But what is AI truly? And what mysteries lie within its design? Today, we're going to break down the complex world of AI into simple parts that anyone can understand. Welcome back, I'm Roberto, and in this channel we dive into cool topics about technology and inventions, all explained in simple ways. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on new videos. Now let's get into how AI actually works. AI, or artificial intelligence, is essentially a way to make machines act in ways that seem intelligent. When we talk about AI, we are usually talking about systems that can do things like recognize speech, making recommendations, or even understanding images. AI uses large sets of data and specific algorithms, which are rules and steps for solving problems, to learn more from patterns in these data. Instead of being told exactly what to do in every situation, the machine learns by seeing many examples, similar to how humans learn from experience. AI comes in many forms, each designed to tackle different kinds of problems. Some well-known approaches include behavior trees, often using game AI to simulate decision-making, regression lines, which help predict trends in data, and natural language processing, which enables machines to understand human language. In machine learning and deep learning, however, neural networks are one of the most commonly used methods. Inspired by the human brain, a neural network consists of a web of small connected nodes or neurons that perform simple calculations. Each neuron passes information to the next one, allowing the network to learn and improve. By recognizing patterns in data, neural networks can make better predictions over time, whether that's identifying a face in a photo or recommending a new song. To understand how a neural network learns, we need to talk about something called weights. Think of weights as tiny dials that adjust how much influence one neuron has on another. When a neural network is first created, these weights are random, but as it goes through training, the network learns to change these weights to make better decisions. Training is like practice. Each time the network makes a mistake, it adjusts the weights to try to get a little closer to the right answer next time. Over time, these adjustments make the network smarter and more accurate. Behind every neural network is some amazing math. One important part is something called a matrix. In simple terms, a matrix is a grid of numbers, and AI systems use these matrices to organize and process data like images or text. Another crucial concept in AI training is the derivative, a mathematical tool that tells us how much something has changed. During training, the network uses derivatives to understand how changing a weight will affect its accuracy, and uses backpropagation to modify those weights. By calculating massive derivatives, the network can adjust the weights in the right direction, making small improvements with each adjustment. This process, called gradient descent, helps the network gradually find the best settings for its weights, making it more accurate over time. AI systems need a lot of data to learn from. For example, to create an AI that recognizes cats in photos, you will need thousands or even millions of pictures of cats. Each picture helps the AI learn what features, like shapes, colors, or textures, are common to cats. This data is then processed by the neural network, which finds patterns and relationships that it can use to recognize cats in new photos. The more data it has, the better it can learn and make accurate predictions, since backpropagation will adjust the weights based on more data and will increase precision over time. Today, AI is used in many places we might not even think about. It powers personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, helps medical professionals spot early signs of diseases, and even make decisions in self-driving cars. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to improve, we might see new possibilities, like machines that can fully understand human emotions or help solve complex global challenges. The potential is enormous, and AI's impact will only grow from here. But did you know that the concept of artificial intelligence dates back to ancient Greece? The Greeks imagined mechanical beings with human intelligence thousands of years ago. Another fun fact is that one of the earliest AI programs, created in 1956, was a checkers playing program that taught itself to improve its moves. In fact, AI made huge leaps in games, like when AI called AlphaGo defeated a human champion in the game of Go, something experts thought wouldn't be possible for decades. AI has even been used to create art and compose music, showing that it can sometimes surprise us with its creativity. Looking ahead, the future of AI is filled with incredible potential. Researchers are exploring areas like artificial general intelligence, where machines could one day learn and adapt to perform almost any human task, not just specialized ones. Future AI could transform fields like medicine by diagnosing diseases earlier than humans, and environmental science by predicting and even helping to prevent natural disasters. But with these advancements come important questions like ethics, safety, and privacy. As AI continues to evolve, society will face the challenge of ensuring that these powerful tools are used responsibly. The future of AI is exciting, and it's up to us to guide it in ways that benefit everyone. And that's a basic look at what AI is and how it works. I hope this video helped make AI feel a little closer and more understandable to you. If you enjoyed learning about AI or have more questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to join us for more fascinating explorations like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.